And we're going to make triangles now. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see the triangles. There's two triangles here. There's a triangle that's in yellow, this triangle here, and then there's a triangle, if you guys can't see it, let's say in red. This bigger triangle here. I'm going to draw them separately so it's easier to see. But what you need to know is, what is angle of depression? What does that mean? That means it's the angle. This is a bit hard to understand, but it's the angle that when you're looking straight down the middle and you tilt your head down, that is the angle of depression. So the boat that's further away, this angle is going to be 28 degrees. And then the boat that's a bit closer, you have to tilt your head a little bit more down. Because remember, when your stuff is closer to you and you're looking down, you have to tilt it more down, right? Because it's closer to you. So this angle in blue is 61 degrees, here to here. So we are quickly going to make our triangles. And the first triangle is 28 degrees. I'll give you a hint. This 20 degrees is also the angle that's here. That's something you should have learned in grade 9. It's called Z pattern. So that's a nice hint. So we have our green boat here. And we know that the person is 50 meters in height. You know, this is a right angle triangle. So we have everything that we need, because what we're looking for is X. We're looking for the distance, how far the boat is from you, right? From that person. So we're looking for the horizontal distance. Now let's make our other triangle. Sorry, 1 second. We got a red boat here. And in this example, the angle of depression is 61 degrees. 61 degrees, and I'll give you a hint, that angle that's there is also the angle that's here, inside the triangle. This is the right angle. This is 50, the height doesn't change because you're the same person. And now let's call this distance y. So we're just figuring out x and y, and we're figuring out how far the ships are apart. So let's quickly do this. So yeah, well, we're just gonna do we got a label obviously, so this is opposite. This is adjacent. So you're gonna use tan. Tan 28 degrees is equal to opposite 50 over adjacent. And remember what I told you? You always make a fraction by making it over 1, then you do crisscross, cross multiply. So it's going to be x times tan 28 is equal to 50. Tan 28 is just a number. Tan 20 is just a number, so it's a decimal. So you're just going to do x is equal to 50 divided by tan 28, which is 50 divided by this tan 28. It's 0.53. So this is going to be 50 divided by 0.53. Try to keep more decimal places. Just in a little bit of a rush right now because we're over time. 50 divided by 0.53. 94.3. All right, so x is 94.3. We're going to do the same thing with y. We're going to use tan again y because it's the same labeling, opposite and adjacent, right? So tan of 61 degrees is equal to opposite, which is 50, over y. We have y tan 61 because of the crisscross is equal to 50, because 50 times 1 is just 50. Then you divide both sides by tan 61. And tan 61 is just a decimal, so don't think it's anything crazy. And you can just do that. Tan of 61 is 1.8. So you're basically just dividing it by 1.8. 50 divided by 1.8, what is it? 27.8 roughly. So now we have x and y. We know how far each boat is. The question was asking how far apart are the ships. So the distance from here to here. And the way to do that is to subtract these two values, x and y. Just subtract these two values and you will get the distance between the ships. So what is 94.3 minus 27.8? Is 66.5. That is the answer. Probably in meters. Yeah, meters, because we're using meters. Okay. And then that's the recap. Now what? Today you got it. Yeah, you should go and under content section, read 1.4 and do all the work from there. Due today is your mini tests or quizzes 1.1 and 1.3, 2 quizzes. Due tomorrow is a test for our mini test for 1.4. It's a quiz. And yeah, that's it. All right. I hope you guys had a fun time. We're kind of over time, so I got to go. If you have any questions, make sure you come to tutorial hours. Take care, everyone. Bye.